Fitbit has today unveiled and made available their new smartwatch in the form of the Fitbit Versa, which builds upon the company's previous smartwatch designs and is equipped with a battery that lasts for 4 days on a single charge. Available in a variety of different color combinations, the Fitbit Versa smartwatch is now available to pre-order, priced at $200 with shipping expected to take place in 3 to 4 weeks' time. Check out the promotional video below to learn more about the latest fitness smartwatch from Fitbit. Features of the latest smartwatch from Fitbit include the ability to see on-screen workouts, track your heart rate, choose from 15 exercise modes, personal reminders, track daily activity, smartphone notifications, control music, and store more than 300 songs on your watch, as well as download your own or curate playlists from Deezer. The Fitbit Versa smartwatch is also equipped with GPS connectivity, allowing you to track pace and distance on your display, as well as see a complete map of your route using the companion Fitbit application on your smartphone or tablet. Thanks to its waterproof design, the Fitbit Versa is capable of tracking your swims as well as laps, duration and calories burned during swim workouts.